What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Larry Kicks coming back with just another video. Hey y'all, this coronavirus crazy. Anyway, I'm coming with another banger. Another banger. Something y'all like. I know everybody out there love Yeezys. Y'all love Yeezys. And I'm coming with a banger with one. So stay tuned. Short video. But like I said, it's a short video. But you're gonna get some up feet with it. Hey. Hey, I'm back, boy. Hey, your boy Larry Kicks is back. Sneaker Mafia. What's poppin'? What's up with y'all? It's been a minute. But I'm back with another banger. Today, we are doing the review on the Yeezreel. Love this colorway. Love this colorway. Very vibrant color. Yes, I wear my shoes. All of my shoes are worn, most of them. If I've had time to wear them, I have worn them. Promise. And if I haven't had time, I'm going to wear them. But let's get into this. As you can see, we have the Yeezreel. This colorway, I would say, is like a highlighter color, like that yellowish, greenish color. All over, basically all over the shoe. You know, you have the outsole with the boost, white boost. The outsole translucent, you can see that boost through there. And then you come up to this prime knit. Yes, the prime knit is the same on all Yeezys. This pattern I love because I feel like with the 350s they've been doing this pattern on and just keeping the 1-2 colors. I like that, but at the same time I like some of the new ones that they've been coming out with, so I'm not going to cap on that. I'm not going to be like, oh, I like this way better. No, I like all the Yeezys, you know what I'm saying? I like them. If I can cop them, I'll cop them. If I can't, then I just can't. You know, it's hard. It's hard out here for a sneaker head. But you got that black with that yellowish, greenish color. I'm not sure of the color of this, y'all. I'm really not sure of the color of it. So I'm not gonna sit here and cap it, act like I know the color of the shoe. I don't know the color. Took the insole out. I take the insole out of most of my Yeezys because either way it goes, it's gonna feel the same. So they have like a different color on the laces. It's like a green, like a I wouldn't say a mint green, but like a real light green. But I actually like how they did that. And then they have the pull tab. Some of the Yeezys that they're coming out with don't have that pull tab, and my wife actually likes the pull tab on Yeezys. Like, she got the Marsh and she got the Desert Sage, and she's like, why don't they have a pull tab? I'm like, I'm not making a shoe. Like, I don't know. But let's get back into it. That stripe right down the side, you can see through that. Most of the time I have on black socks, so all you're gonna see is just black in there. So yeah, these are a nice pair of Yeezys. I can say that. Not much you could have to say about Yeezys, you know what I'm saying? Got the 3 stripes back there. There's not much you have to say about them. You know what Yeezys look like. I just wanted to bring these to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Because this is what I do. This is what I do. I bring y'all bangers. Let me know how y'all felt about this colorway. Let me know what y'all think about it. You know what I'm saying? I actually picked up this pair for retail in Virginia. I was over in Virginia in January for my sister's birthday, matter of fact. And the day before, we went to the mall. No, the same day we went to the mall, and she she was like, I need to go to the mall and get some stuff. I was like, all right, cool, I'm gonna go with you. So we all went, and I just happened to pop into, I want to say it was Foot Locker, and I saw this on the wall, and I was like, dang, those just came out like 2 days ago or something like that. And I asked him, I took it off the wall, and I was like, hey, y'all still got a lot of these? He was like, no, that was a return. I was like, oh, for real? I was like, well, what size is it? Smuggy's 11. I was like, oh, that's my size. I was like, I'll take them, bro. I'll take those. I'll take those off you. So, went ahead and took them. And right here, I put up the picture. That's what I wore to my sister's birthday dinner. I had to say, I was clean, y'all. I was clean. But that was the story behind this shoe. Like, I just walked in and saw it, and I was able to pick it up after the fact, you know, of it releasing, and they did sell out. So he probably, you know, I would say the person probably couldn't get them off how he wanted to get them off. He didn't think they was gonna resell how he wanted it to. But I don't care. I wanted to wear it, you know what I'm saying? And with that outfit, but it was sweet. It was nice, y'all. So yeah, I get y'all some on feet of these boys. And that's all we got for you today. So remember, stay on your grind and don't let nobody tell you can't shine. It's your boy Laser Kicks, signing out. Peace.
This shit ain't what they make it out. They used to hella show you love, but now you who they talk about. They play you like you stupid and born recent leeching. Looking for handouts, dog, y'all niggas reaching. Why is everything in competition? Everybody know it all, but they don't wanna listen.
Things not the same, I swear the game done changed again. Hating on you, but they wanna be friends. See them haters, gotta clean up your lens. Truth be told, truth be told, truth be told.